If you look at this question, students, now determinant in terms of R is given in the problem here. So the first thing that I have to see is R is contained in the column number 1. So we have to apply the summation R is equal to 1 to R. So we'll see here this column, okay, column number 1 elements, we'll see column number 1 elements. Sigma R is equal to 1 to n of R. That is nothing but R into R plus 1 divided by 2, correct or not? 1 to, but this is n, right? 1 to n. So n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So I can write sigma dr, R is equal to 1 to n. This I can write this as n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Similarly, sigma 2r minus 1, R is equal to 1 to n can be written as 2 into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sigma 1 is n, correct or not? So I can write n square plus n minus n. So the answer to the question will be n square. So this part will be equal to n square. Is it okay? Sigma R is equal to 1 to n, 2 to the power r minus 1. 2 to the power r minus 1. This can be written as 2 to the power 0 plus, go on putting r is equal to 1, r is equal to 2, 2 to the power 2 plus so on up to plus 2 to the power n minus 1. This part you can clearly see GP with A is equal to 2 to the power 0, that is equal to 1, R is equal to 2, which is greater than 1, and number of terms is n only, because it's starting from 0 to n minus 1 means n terms. So we can write Sn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. We have discussed this in grade 11 synopsis of sequence series APGP. When R is greater than 1, we know this formula. When R is greater than 1, we have to make use of this formula, correct? So what will be this answer now? Sn is equal to 1 into 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Answer will be 2 to the power n minus 1. 2 to the power n minus 1. So this part here will be 1, 4 and 5. Here it is the same thing, n into n plus 1 by 2. Column 1 and column 2 will be equal, as you see. Column 1 and column 2 will be equal, column 1 and column 3 will be equal. So the value of the determinant will be equal to 0. So this answer for dr, R is equal to 1 to n, the answer to the question is 0.